What's up, guys? Welcome back. Yeah, today a new day, a beautiful day here in Africa, here in Nyabuhansa village to be precise. And yeah, I'm really happy and privileged to wake up in the morning, and I'm healthy and everything, guys. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for the people who are coming out at large numbers and people who are responding to our call. Like, we are going to the children's home, and someone came out, and thank you to Mercy Empire, you came out so fast, though we told you so late, but you guys are coming out in a very good way. I don't know what I can say, but we have Fellow the Boy here.
Okay.
Maybe you can say something.
How are you? Yeah, guys, welcome to Majak YouTube channel. My name is Fellow the Boy. And guys, today is a very good Friday, right?
Yeah.
So we have met here. We appreciate God for being alive.
Yeah.
Because we know that some of the people right now, they are in their beds, in their wards.
Yeah.
They're lying on their beds while they are sick. But God has given us this opportunity to see this day again while we are still alive.
Yeah.
We thank God a lot for being with us.
Yeah.
And thank you for those who have decided to join the group of Meet and Greet Noah's Boat Children's Home. And this is something that we thought about. My brother thought about it. Now we started it yesterday by creating a group that right now it has got more than 50 members as we are speaking, and most of the members right now, they are participating already. Like Maja KE, the way I said that one of our sister, she has already catered for some maize.
Yeah, I mean,
And
one
one sack of maize. Yeah. So those one who are still watching this video, and maybe you are willing that you can support, and just reach my brother here. And whatever that you'll be having, we said yesterday that it doesn't mean that maybe a lot of things or maybe money, anything that you have. Sometimes you have got some items at your home, and you find that you're not using them, but they can be useful to somebody else, maybe somewhere. You can just come up and say that I'm just giving up what I have. And for those one who are far away here from maybe Kenya, outside the country, and also they are willing to support, no problem.
By the way,
they can still perform.
There's something that came up on the group, like we get a number which they can send, maybe if someone wants to send money. So guys, we have not sat down and talked about that, but today we are going to do it. After here we are going to do it, and we'll give you the number on the group, so that you can send, if you want to send money, you can send the money over there,
so that at least you can send the money and direct maybe what you want that money to do. You can direct that money, what you want it to do, what you want maybe us to buy, and just to promise you that the money that you send, everything that we'll be doing will just be captured. So we'll just be buying, like today, the money that was sent.
We are
you
going
see
to
that
buy
they're
maize.
buying the maize. Even somebody who send the money normally feel good. So we are going to give out the number. As Zia said, we're just going to discuss which number we're going to give out, and then anybody who will willing to support there through Centwave, through MoneyGram, any kind of money transfer, you can just be able to transfer there, because due to this festival season. Guys, we are just doing this because we want those children at least to feel like they're like other people. They feel like that goodness. Not that some people are celebrating somewhere, they're having some good meal, and you find them, they're just feeding on porridge.
Exactly.
At least those people who are there, and maybe they have got some rags of clothes, they can at least that day feel like at least we have got some new clothes here. We can just be able to have these clothes, and then like others the way they have.
Exactly.
So that's a very good thing. And for the other YouTubers in the village who are watching this video, my request from me as Fellow the Boy, let us put aside all the differences of which I'm not sure. I'm not saying that maybe we have it, but this is a time now whereby we are supposed now to come together because of those innocent kids that were there. Those kids that they don't understand any drama, they don't understand anything. But at least if we come together, like the YouTubers, like the YouTubers, by this week we are going to be paid.
Yeah.
So if you can come up and say that, oh, let me just give out some, or let me take 1,000, go and in a local market, I go and buy maybe some local clothes like mitumba. We call it mitumba in Africa. So if you get something, we get something small for those ones who are being paid. Please, we come together, we join together, and we say that let us go and buy anything that you feel. You can decide to buy a set of cups, plates, anything that you will buy to be useful to that.
Also, don't forget to buy, maybe if you are willing to buy, remember January is coming, and the kids are going back to school. Maybe you can buy even books.
The stationaries. The stationaries that can be able to help them. Because that home also has got a problem in terms of education, because there's a time I was there and they explained to me the problem that they are facing in terms of education. But it's only that they are in large number, so for them to be helped, they need a capital, because the classes are supposed to be renovated, the teachers are supposed to be employed, some of the staffs are supposed to be resources. They're supposed to have some resources in school so that they can be able to start that learning process that the way it used to be. So that is what we are, and the group was already there, and anybody is willing, please be inside. And for those one who are lefting the group, like I was going through it, please just know that what you are doing, although it is something that you have decided to do, but remember this one, we are creating, and not that we are creating a group of party. This is a group of help. We are helping, and
we never know tomorrow.
We never know tomorrow. So if you have been added in this group of help, sometimes even you can give out the ideas, but don't left. Even if you cannot be able to give out the finance or to help us with the finance, you guys, you can come up and tell us, maybe this time around I'm not good, but another time when I get something well and good. Or you can say, I want to advise you this one and this one, this one. It will be helpful to us. It doesn't mean that if you have been added, you have to support. You have been added at least to give out the ideas.
Yes, exactly. So ideas, what to do. You can say even you guys, you are wrong.
You can at least correct us wherever we go wrong, and you say, we do this and this. It will be very, very helpful, bro.
And also, as I said, we are not forcing anyone to do anything, or rather to.
No, this one is just voluntarily. From somebody's heart.
From your heart.
You're willing to do it. Just do it from your heart, and don't force yourself to do it because maybe others have did. Just do what your heart tells you to do. Yes.
You know, even in church, sometime back, my dad told me, like, even if you have money and you don't feel like giving the offerings. Not offerings. The sadaka is offerings.
Sadaka is still offerings.
If your heart doesn't want to give, don't give.
Just give from your heart.
From your heart.
If your heart tells you that you want to give, just give it.
Exactly.
So that is good.
So guys, thank you so much for the people who are following up, for the people who have already maybe sent the money. So this is the first thing that we're going to do, buying maize here, and 1 sack of maize here, so that tomorrow when we go, we can leave them with food at least. So mom, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm fine.
Yes, I'm doing good. I'm very happy for your supportive to the children who are not able, who are needy. I went there, I was very, very, very sorry for them. I felt it was not. Anyway, that is what it is. I want to thank the mother who is taking care of those children. She has really struggled. And if we don't support them, they are not going to do well. So we have to support. Whoever wishes, whoever is a well-wisher, anybody who feels that that child could be his or hers, please do something because of that child. They are really suffering there. Mom is really struggling to feed them, but she's not able alone. She has to be supported. So that is it. We are going to buy maize here. This is a maize store. So that when they go tomorrow, At least they will have something to eat.
Yeah.
Or even if they cook porridge, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's better than not. getting
Better than nothing. Yeah. So guys, that is my mom, village grandma. So we are going to buy maize from here, 1 sack of maize. And I want to say thank you so much, Mercy Empire, for following up. And yeah, I really appreciate you so much for supporting. And may God bless you abundantly. So guys, if you're out there and if you watch this video before tomorrow, even if you will watch it after tomorrow, yeah, we are here, and we will also support them in any way that you tell us to. So yeah, let's buy the maize sack of maize. Yes. How much?
How much?
30 per kilo, per kg. 30 shillings per kg. So guys, let's try and yeah, so guys, they are coating in the maize. This is a full sack here. How are you?
Hello guys. Hope you're doing well.
Yes.
We are here measuring here. Measuring the maize.
Yeah.
You can see.
Umesema 100. Bado so guys, yeah, the maize is almost full, guys. Yeah, the sack is almost full. And I want to say thank you so much again to the people who are coming out, contributing to the children's home. Also, we have some people who have called me and they want to support us in this. Yeah, and we have a lot of things that people have given out so that they can be on children's home to support the children there. And also we'll be having not less than 15 people who will be there, who are willing, and yeah. Yes. This guy is very strong.
This is 100 kgs, guys.
100 kgs. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's off.
It's off. Battery. To charge.
Yeah, so this is 100. Acha tupime kabisa. Tupime kabisa tuone hapa. 100. Yeah, so they are saying it's 100 kg. Yeah, so guys, it's tomorrow. It's tomorrow, and yeah, we have also Nasto is here. Yeah, Nasto is here with the van. I think we will be using also the van to for transportation. And also, guys, the other thing I wanted to tell you, for the transportation, you can contact maybe Nasto, maybe put some small fuel if you want, so that we can reach there on time and with everyone. We want to go there together. So also you'll contact Philo if he can maybe offer you a ride, not a ride. Guys, you can correct me, not a ride, but if he can offer you to, he has a motorbike, he can carry you there. Yeah, and he and us also, he can offer you, or rather you can pay for the fuel. You know, right now the fuel is so expensive in Kenya, but if you want, you will use Nasto's car. And also we have some people who will be going, and we can reach out to them. I think they have motorbikes or cars, so that we can go there together and yeah, and surprise them, guys. It's a surprise, of course. Okay, I can say not a surprise because we were there, and we said that we will come back for this greet and meet, guys. So if you're out there, you want to go there, it's around the border. Yeah, the reason why I'm saying that we have to go together is like there are some people who don't know the place, know us both. So when we go together, we will yeah, you will not get lost. We don't want anyone to get lost, guys. So Yes, so if you have anything to offer to the children's home, guys, kindly do that. Yeah, we have some people who have already said yes to this, and it's a very good thing. It's all not about some people say maybe they don't have money, the month has been bad. No, you can just come without even anything, or you can just come with maybe clothes which don't fit you, and we just bless the kids over there. And if you don't have anything, you can just join us. You can go there for prayers, and you wish them well. It's not a must.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nasta is here.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe because of copyright we go behind. Yes.
You will get copyright because the
Yes.
music behind there.
Yeah.
You might end up having
Copyright.
So,
Yeah.
this is Maja's place.
Yeah. Hardware.
Yeah, Maja's hardware. The parents' hardware.
Yes.
And this is the new church. Yeah.
This is the new church, and I think by January we should be opening it.
Or January.
And also thank you to Joseph Vegas.
Yeah.
He brought the what they call ballast or Mau
Kokot. For that one out there.
Yeah, out there. So we are going to put down there inside. Yeah, so we are remaining with the windows, and
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
very good. That's very good. So guys,
Yeah.
we're here. It's evening time. So just walking around the village, just trying to see how everything is going on.
yeah.
Yeah, but we thank God for this far and everything. So what is the video about?
Yeah, the video is it's all about the going to meet and greet at the orphanage. Yeah, and
But it's for those willing,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you cannot force people.
mm,
And also it should not like stress you so much. Like for those who maybe will come, we will work with them. For those
Yeah.
who maybe will not find time, maybe again
Next
another-
time.
Yeah, next
Yeah.
time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we had planned maybe 23rd or 24th. We can go there with a few items. We go and I think tomorrow we'll do a video and maybe we talk about it and then we see how.
No,
for those who will respond.
okay, I think you are busy.
Yeah.
We talked about it, and we are going tomorrow.
Oh, it's tomorrow.
Yeah, we are going tomorrow, and we have the maize already here. Thanks to Mercy Empire sent some money for the maize, 1 sack of maize.
Yeah.
And also we have some people like Joseph Vegas. They are going to buy some gifts also.
Yeah.
We have a lot of people who will be there.
Yeah.
At least I think not less than 15.
15 people.
Yeah, who have agreed to go with us.
Yeah, we will go
Yeah.
tomorrow, guys.
Yeah. What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's a good idea. Also tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah.
Maybe early in the morning,
Mm.
can go even to the Tanzanian market to get a few clothes,
Yeah.
and then we take there. So for those who are willing also to support, there's still time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll go there, maybe around 11, 12. We will go there and share with the kids and
Yeah.
see how things go by.
Yeah. I
In
think.
case maybe you'll miss the first one for tomorrow, there's still maybe 24th again. We can organize.
Yeah. Yeah.
another one.
Exactly.
We see those who will respond.
Yeah. And also, Nasto is one of the admins on the group that we did.
Yeah.
So we said, I don't know your idea. You are not there.
Yeah, my
because you're
phone, my
busy.
phone has my phone has been having problems, so I can't even access WhatsApp and stuff like this.
Yeah. So we were talking with fellow.
Yeah.
Maybe your idea.
Yeah.
We were thinking of putting your number and the orphanage number. So we said maybe we put the orphanage number
Yeah.
in case anyone wants to send something.
I think the orphanage number is better.
Is better.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the orphanage number, guys, is better. So we will put the number there. So if you are not near or you want to support, we are not forcing anyone. If you want to support, you can maybe support them on that number. Yeah, so that we don't have problems. And also, the other thing is like when you send anything, you notify us so that we can confirm.
Yeah, we can confirm.
Yeah. So Nasto.
Yeah, that is it, guys. So we'll plan tomorrow morning. We'll be going there just to see how things work out. Just trying to share with the kids here and there and support each other. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Yeah. So guys, this is Nasto. Kindly go check him out. If I know, go check him out.
Yeah,
at
it's
Nasto.
Nasto.
Yeah.
And we'll be very much grateful for those who have not subscribed. Kindly go subscribe. Also, if you're watching this from my end and you have not subscribed, check out also Maja KE. And we'll be very much grateful.
Yeah. And what do you think about this idea that we came up with? You know, the idea was from me and you.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's a good idea, but also, you know, sometimes people like some people are busy. You know, it's Christmas season.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's for those who are willing. Because also there's a next time, even next year. So tomorrow we'll try our best and see how it will work out.
Yeah.
Then again, next time maybe we can also check. Yeah, for those who are willing. You know, also people have different thoughts.
Yeah,
Maybe
exactly.
they might think that we want maybe to collect money and go and enjoy. You know, it's
Exactly.
purely for the kids. That's why we want to put even their phone number. You share with them directly. Even us will be contributing our stuff.
Yes.
So that we can go and see what we can also buy. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's because I've not yet harvested my maize. But once, once I harvest, I take even 3 bags there. We go and share with the kids.
Yeah. But you know, guys, we always take maize there. I remember the last time.
We took.
We
I
took
don't know. It's six, around 6 bags.
Yeah, 6 bags. Yeah, so we always go there, check on them. You know, out here helping. You know, for me, I think like helping the children who are orphans, it's better than like helping someone who is who can work and you know. Very true. So guys, we have just bought 1 sack that is from Mercy Empire. And we are going to
so tomorrow is the big day, guys. We'll be heading there. We'll show you everything. You can also check out the video on Maja's channel or my channel tomorrow. We'll do a very good video just trying to support the kids.
Exactly. Thank you so much. This is my brother Nasto. Subscribe. So guys, let's see the maize from behind here. Ishakuwa? Oh, so we are going to pay the money. Haina shida. Takupea. So yes, so this is the sack of maize that we have just bought. Ulisema hii ni ngapi?
Kilo 100.
Pesa ngapi?
3K.
3,000. Yeah, so this sack of maize goes for 3,000 shillings, and exactly what we had received. So we'll be getting also some gifts. A lot of them, guys. So keep on tuned, keep on watching. A lot of people will be coming. I believe a lot of people will be coming and supporting. And it's always negative vibes, not negative, positive, sorry. Positive vibes all the way. And I really am thankful. Because of the music, let's cut it here, guys. Yeah, guys, we're here at home, and of course we have handbag.
Maria.
Maria underscore. What is your name?
Maria underscore KE.
Handbag. Yeah, so guys, I'm also really privileged to have friends here who will be joining us in children's home. Hey.
Maria wants you to look good.
Yeah, thank you, Maria.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. So we are really privileged to have also friends who will be joining us in children's home, and greet and meet. One of the people is one of our good friend here, Paris.
Yes.
I am Paris. How are you?
Underscore Paris. I'm good. How are you? I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me
I'm
too.
fine.
I'm good. I'm fine. Yeah, just hustling is always. Yeah. So guys, welcome to Majas_KE YouTube channel. In case you're watching this video, or maybe you're just clicking this video for the very first time and you don't know about Maja, kindly consider subscribing to his channel so that each time he uploads any new video, you'll be amongst the first people that will get notified about Maja KE's videos. Yeah. So for me, we are just here. As Maja said, tomorrow we'll be heading to a children's home, and that is one thing like I love. When Maja gave me that call yesterday, I was like, wow, this is impressive. At least like we can do something as we end the year. We can do something to give back to the community, even if like it's not going to be that much, it's not going to be such a big deal, but just putting a smile on those kids, it will be something amazing. You know. So guys, watch the video, subscribe so that tomorrow's event, you guys, you don't miss out. You can see everything that will be going down. Yeah. And check me out. I am _Paris.
Yeah. Road to 11,000.
We're already at 11,000.
Yeah.
Road to 20,000 now. Let's aim high. Road to 20k now.
Yeah, road to 20k.
Yeah.
So guys, this is Paris, and I really appreciate you so much because when we call out the people who will support, there you are the first also person to be there and saying, yeah, we can do it, and that is a very good thing that you did.
And also thank you to you for including me in this, because you didn't be like, we shouldn't call Paris, but you took your time and called me and told me we are doing this and this, come on board if you have anything. But then, because to be honest, even like right now when I go back home, I'm going to see and remove every cloth that doesn't fit me. We take it to the children's home, because you know, you are going to put a smile on those kids, and there is nothing good like just seeing those kids smile. So guys, unafaa kuchukua ma? Okay. Yeah, so guys, as I was telling you guys, keep on watching the videos and do not forget to subscribe to Maja's channel, and because tomorrow is going to be a big special day, you guys, like this will be so good, giving back to the community, giving back to the society. Hello guys. And Maria is here. Maria, do you have any clothes that don't fit you? Do you? Uko na nguo zikutoshei? Utapeleka wapi? Unajua kesho tunaenda kuwa na watoto. Tutaenda?
Niko na nguo za swimming.
Uko na nguo za swimming. Maria is talking of she has clothes for swimming. Yeah, so guys, watch the video. And here we have somebody else. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So guys, this is Atonion. I was just talking to Maja about like tomorrow's event.
Oh, it's about the visiting the
children's home. Yeah.
It's all about greet and meet, but we decided like the last time we did it, it was like it was in a different place, but the idea came to me like we should do it on a children's home.
Yeah.
Because over there you can bring anything that you have for the children, you know.
Yeah.
It's not only us that we suffer outside here.
Yeah, that's true.
When you go there, guys, you'll see how the children suffer, and they need something. So the idea came, it was me and Asto, and the idea came like, why don't we do a greet and meet there? And that greet and meet, and it's to unite the YouTubers, you know. And everyone to give ideas and support each other in different ways. You never know tomorrow, you know. You never know tomorrow, so to get different ideas and also to have a different perspective, or I don't know if that is the correct English, but that is what I thought, you know. You never know what you will gain from there or what you learn from there. You know, you have some people who have been orphans here, and they have grown and they have done something like we can talk about Fellow Boy, one of our YouTubers here. He has grown from nothing to something, you know. And he is someone who has been living in people's homes, and right now we can tell he's doing so well. So encouraging someone, and also the main thing I want to say, the videos that we do, let's do it to encourage people.
Somebody, yeah.
Yeah,
Someone outside there.
Yeah.
You know, people can say like, Paris was somewhere, now it's right here. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So people can say, why not me?
Yeah.
You know, why not me? So that is the thing that we want to do, and also get together, talk together, get ideas. It's not a must like you be yourself and you are doing it for yourself. You know,
Yeah.
help other people also to grow. You know,
Yeah.
and the reason why people are talking bad about other people is like they think like, why Paris is here, why Atrin is,
Oh God, the lighting is so bad.
yeah, why Maja is here, me I'm not there, so they get jealous. They get jealous.
The lighting is bad on that side. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
seats.
Yes. Oh, you're tired. Yeah.
No,
So
I'm tired. I just want to sit.
yeah. So all I was saying
So
is,
comfortable.
thank you.
Atrin.
Let me help the ladies. They are so tired.
Atrin,
What?
Guys, imagine I was sitting, then this girl just decided to take over me.
It's the lighting. Yeah.
Let's sit here.
Take Maria. Take this.
Let me sit
Angie.
with Maria, because now it's
Yeah.
like Atrin doesn't do. Atrin has taken over from me, but let me sit with Maria. Sit down, Maria.
Yes. Yeah, so guys, the idea was like we don't want to be like jealousy of someone.
Yeah.
We don't have to be like, oh no, this person has this one, me I don't have, I want to talk bad about
Yeah.
her or him, you know. So my idea was like we are all on the same level and let's talk on same sound, like, you know,
Yeah.
motivating other people.
Encouraging one another.
Yeah, exactly. And also okay, this will talk at the children's home if you'll be there, but
Of course, I'll be there.
yeah, if you'll be there, but all I want to say is like some things like, how do I put this, like, you know, think of your children like Maria right now, she's speaking good English
Yeah.
just because of being on videos, Indio Maria. Yeah, so being on videos so being on the videos, speaking good English, that is an inspiration to other young kids.
Yeah.
You know, so all I want to say is think about your kids.
Yeah.
So if you are out there and speaking bad, you are talking like bad about other people, and you have kids, like maybe you'll have kids and they want to join you too, and
Yeah.
they see you, mom, what were you talking?
Yeah. But they always
Yeah.
say that thing.
Yeah. So they
And you
think
know,
like,
sorry. And you know, like the funny thing is that the internet never forgets.
yeah, exactly.
So one day when you have your kids, they'll be like, they will hear their mom, their father was a content creator, and they will go and search for their mom or their dad, and they see the way you are talking bad about other people. How do you expect your kids to feel about that?
Imagine.
So
Yeah. So
That's true.
yeah, so what I'm advocating for this thing is like learn to, okay, don't say I'm perfect.
Yeah.
No one is perfect.
nobody's perfect.
But think about your kids. Think about even your maybe grandchildren. You know, they will be watching your videos. They are saying, "Hey, mom, where were you? Were you saying this? Why were you reacting? Why were you, you know?" So
Yeah.
we have to teach young kids like this.
Like
to-
Maria.
Yeah, like Maria, to have good videos.
Yeah.
I believe you can hear the English of Maria
But I
right
know our
now.
YouTube channel. What's your
No.
YouTube channel name?
No, Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram.
Kid Maria.
Kid Maria_K.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Imagine. So you know she knows about YouTube because I always wake up and Maria, she's there like, "Hey, Anko, I want to be on your video."
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are really being positive,
Yeah.
and encouraging other people, young people, youth, like you can make it. You can see the videos which Atin does, you encouraging people out there. Nas to
By the way, you never know, like
yes.
anything that you're doing, people always watch. So, and it encourage someone outside there.
Yeah.
And in whatever you are doing, just do your best because people are watching and they are following your step.
Yeah.
And the aim is to guide people in a right way, not to mislead them. Yeah.
Exactly. So we want to encourage the youth, you know. Like for me, I don't know for you guys. For me, I'm not after money, you know. I always do videos to encourage someone out there. Yeah, that like if Maja made it, or if you made it,
Yeah.
why not me?
Why not you? True.
Yeah, why not you? So I always do it for, not for money or for anything, but yeah, we have some people who do it for
money.
for money.
Others
They don't
do it
make
for fame.
yeah, for
Others do
fame.
it for fame.
Yeah.
People do it for, or maybe there are those that do it for everything, for fame, money, exposure, everything. It depends with an individual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know, even like now, we are going to charity, meet and greet, and also help the kids out there. They're suffering more than us.
True.
Yeah. So, like, don't do it for money. Don't do YouTube for money. Money will come,
It will come
and
later.
God's time is
It's
the best.
Yeah.
You know, your time will come. Yeah, you will make it.
Yeah.
So, what do you? Yes. What do you think about this, like, opinion that we have of visiting children's home?
To be honest, it's a very nice idea because you know, at the end of the day, like just the same way, like you can see, like we're living outside here, of which at the end of the day, even us, we are struggling. We have our own issues. We have our own battles
Exactly,
that we
yeah.
fight. But just the fact that kujinyima inaitwaje?
Sacrifice.
Yeah, like you just sacrifice that
Sacrifice yourself.
yeah,
Yeah.
you sacrifice yourself. You go to see that kid. You take something to her. God will see you because it's like the same way, like somebody can come to me. Let's say, for example, right now, Atin comes to me. I have 100 Kenyan shillings. That is what I have between me and poverty. That is it, 100
Exactly,
Kenyan
yes,
shillings.
yes.
But for her, she has nothing totally. And so with me, I have only 100 Kenyan shillings. And this 100 Kenyan shillings, it's not even enough for me. And I see Atin here doesn't even have anything. So I will if I have that humanity in me, I will sacrifice. Give her 50 bob, I be left with 50 bob. It's not I've given her that 50 bob because I have it. I have given her as a sacrifice to help
And from
somebody.
your heart.
And from my heart, exactly. So when you guys, you've come up with this meet and greet of going to the children's home, it's a very nice idea. And you know, like that is where we can start getting our blessings from there.
Yeah,
Because you know, God is saying, like, you know, even the Bible says, like, God is the father to the fatherless, is the husband to the widows. And when we go and see these kids, we talk to them, we encourage them, because at the end of the day, like, they need somebody, they need people to go show love to them, they need people to go and talk to them and tell them everything will be okay. You might be here today, but tomorrow you might be the next president of another country.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you might be the biggest engineer we have in this world, you know. So it's just a matter of just going, encouraging them, talking to them, motivating them. If it's the girl side, like, let's talk to them. What do you need as a girl? Because you know, maybe these girls, they are there, of which they have their guardians, the people that they stay with them at the children's home. When they get to the stage of where, like, they are starting to have their monthly periods, maybe they are feeling shy. They don't know how to go ahead and approach their guardians or people that stay with them. You know, when you go there and we are ladies, we can talk to them. When you get to this age, how are you supposed to use a sanitary towel? How are you supposed to put it? What is, like, you know, those kind of things. Like, we talk to them, we encourage them, we motivate them, and tell them, like, don't give up in life. Life is very hard, to be honest. Like, life is very hard. It's not easy. I think everywhere in the world right now, life is not easy. but just encouraging one another. Like, we just need one another. That
Yeah.
In this world, like, you cannot live by yourself.
Don't do that, Mariti. I'll hate you.
So like in this world, like, we need one another, you know.
Yeah, that's
'Cause
true.
that is like the same way, like, Maja, even you as yourself, like, even if that is where, like, they tell you, even if how much money you have, you need people around you.
Yeah, you really need people.
You need people around you. So like us going there to be with those kids, I think God, it's coming from deep within us. God is going to bless us.
Yeah,
I believe
and,
so.
Yeah, and also I was saying, like, don't force yourself.
Yeah, don't
like,
force yourself.
if you don't want, don't do it.
Don't do it. Yeah.
Don't do it. So, and also I was saying, like, it's anything. It's not a must that you go there with something. You know, you can come there, encourage some kids,
Yeah.
tell them that never give up. You know, talk to them,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's not a must that you go with something. You know, and as I said, it's meet and greet, but anyone can be there.
Anybody, that's true.
Anybody can be there if you're willing to. Yeah, we are not forcing anyone.
No.
And yeah, you know, we were there last time. The last time we were there, we were me and
Yeah, I saw the
village
video.
grandma.
Yeah, I saw it.
And she was like, hey, these kids, they need some help. So who should give them help? God will not come down here and
Yeah.
give them help.
It's
God will pass
just to start
through
with us.
someone
Yeah.
to give them help. You know, God will never come down. Like today, now we are going to children's home, and I want to be there, and I want to give them help. God uses someone to help the
Yeah, sure, that's
yeah,
true.
yeah. So that's why we said, like, why not us to help them?
Yeah.
Because you're blessed with a life, you're blessed with some small, maybe a month you can get even 1,000 shilling,
Yeah.
and you
That
can
is
balance
something.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So why not help the kids? Because they we say they are orphans,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
and they are living under one person, that is a woman who feeds them breakfast, imagine, lunch, and
Yeah.
supper. And we are not doing this video for like maybe we want something from you. Everything will go there. And we were there doing the what is it called, babes? Tulikuwa nafanya like we wanted to put if you want to send money, if you're
Okay.
far away.
By
So we were
GoFundMe.
yeah, GoFundMe.
Fund me for the kids.
Yeah, but
Okay.
also right now it was so fast, so we thought like we can
Let's do
put
this.
Nasto's number and the children's home
Yeah. Yeah.
mother number there, but now we decided like we should put the mother's number
mother's
because
number, yeah.
we don't want any.
Yeah.
But if you send any amount of money, notificate on the group, so that we can know you have sent them, so
Yeah.
that we can get the correct. Yeah. So what do you think about that, Archie?
I actually think that's a good idea. You know, like at the end of the day, we are just trying to spread love. And
Yeah.
once like you come up with something like that, it's showing love and concern to people, you know. And I like the way you are saying it, like you don't have to, you just have to do it genuinely.
Exactly.
Like genuinely from your heart. And that's something so good. And I'll be so happy to participate because we're going to spread love and show those kids love.
Yeah.
Because guys, life is not easy. Imagine,
Not easy.
even for them just seeing us, they're like, oh, people outside here love us. They're like, oh my God, like, you know, they just feel like people, they're thinking about them, they know them, and they're going to see them. So it's a good thing, Maja, and this is a good idea. and hope we keep doing it time
Yeah,
Yeah,
time
yeah.
to time, yeah.
yeah, so that not only once, we can always go there time to time, we check up on them, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You, also, someone said like we should do it maybe monthly. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
can
go
also do
there.
that.
Yeah, monthly, once in a month, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Even if you are far, you can maybe that group. I think you can say they are like me right now. I want to buy a sack of maize,
Yeah.
and
You want to
I
buy
think
sanitary towels, you want to buy
exactly,
clothes.
exactly, yes. And the idea also I had, it's not good to send money over there. You can buy something.
Yeah.
Yeah, buy something, take to them. Like if you want to buy soap, you want to buy maybe sanitary towels, you want to buy anything, you buy. Yeah.
Yeah. That's,
What do you think about that?
it's a very nice
Yeah,
idea.
that's a good idea.
Yeah, it's a, hey Maria.
Because Maria, what are you doing? Yeah.
I think it's a very nice idea, like you know, cause is like as I can see, like most okay, according to me, to be my understanding, when those kids are there, most of the things that they need is like food, clothes.
Exactly.
The ones that go to school, they need uniform. They need for the girls that have started their monthly periods, they need pads. They also need like when the idea of going every day monthly. So we just go there, we talk to them, encourage them, and when the way Atrina said, like when they see people, they know, oh, outside there are people that love us, there are people that care about us, you know, and that gives them the encouragement, the motivation. So like you just go there and maybe you can go there, like you just tell them your life story, how your life has been, and they'll be like, wow, so you've gone through this. And you're this kind of person, so you've gone through this and you've become to be this person, so like they'll feel motivated, they'll feel encouraged that even them one day in future they'll become something great in this
Exactly.
country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, also we were there, I think 2 days ago, and we had a lady who just completed the grade high school.
Yeah, high school.
Yeah, and she was saying like I want to be, she said she want to be, I think a doctor or something, doctor. And I was like, wow, you have a big dream. And she's waiting for her
University
for the
for the grades.
Results.
Yeah.
results, and she wants, like her dream, she wants to go to campus, you know,
Yeah.
and do maybe, I don't remember, I think a doctor. Yeah, a doctor. So she told us like, I want to be a doctor, I want to go to university, you know. So you never know,
Yeah.
you know, when maybe, you know, when she will get out from the children's home, going to university, finish the university, and then she gets the job.
Yeah.
She will never forget
Where she
where.
came from.
Yeah, exactly.
And now when you say like when she goes and then she become a doctor, as you say, like she'll never forget where she came from. She will go back to the children's home and encourage the kids, the other kids that
Yeah,
are there,
exactly.
that
I
even
was
me,
here.
I was here. Look at me, I'm a doctor now. So even you know, like yeah, such is good.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, I don't know, you tell us down the comment section how you feel about the conversation, and also the, I can say the mentor whatever of mentorship of Paris Momo and Atrin
And also
Boke.
yours.
And also yes.
And
Yeah,
also
yeah.
Maria's, the one that is
Maria,
playing.
what do you say about that? Come.
Come on, say something, Mama. What do you say about it?
So it's a good one.
Good one.
Another one.
How does Atrin look? She looks like beautiful. And Auntie Paris, beautiful. Yeah.
Your shoes are
Give me a hug.
nice.
Give Auntie Paris
Give
hug.
me a hug. Thank you. You two look beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
So, and you know, also what I wanted to tell you guys, you know, for me, right now I'm the only one here at home, and we have Maria. She's always waking me up like, Uncle, why are you not working? Let's go and do videos, you know.
Wow.
Like
Yeah.
she learns from what I do. Like when I wake up, she knows I have to do a video.
Yeah, because she knows
Yeah.
that is your work.
That is
your
my
job.
work. Yeah, and she always watches my video through my mother's phone. So
Wow.
she says, today Uncle has not posted video.
Wow.
You know, today, especially Mick and Atrin. Yeah, she's always saying like, I've not seen Atrin, you know.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
videos.
you know. So she learns in that way and in a good way,
Yeah.
not in a bad way, in a good way, because she sees she always sees me like doing good videos,
Yeah.
encouraging people, you know. Even when she grows and she wants to be a YouTuber, she will also do the same thing that I am doing,
Yeah,
encouraging people.
Yeah.
So imagine your maybe your niece, maybe your child, she is seeing or he is seeing videos like bad videos, reacting of this. She will be like, yeah. So we are here to encourage and motivate someone out there to be a great person and to help other people out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, maybe you can say, let's start from I am underscore Paris.
Say what?
Last words maybe to people out there and yeah.
Okay, so my last words, all I can say, I always tell people this thing, this that it doesn't cost anything to be good to people. It doesn't cost anything to be kind to people. Just spreading love. It doesn't cost anything. Imagine like just showing somebody love, appreciating them, being kind to people. Because you know, at the end of the day, like you'll be seeing people that are just walking around, they are smiling, but you don't know what they are going through deep. You don't know what they're going through deep within them until like they open up and tell you like, oh, I'm going through this and this and this. So let's just be kind to one another. Let's show love. Let's spread love. And this festive season, if you can show love to any person, maybe the less fortunate. If you have maybe a children's home near your place, you can go visit them. Don't be like, oh, I need like millions of money for you to be able like to show love and spread kindness. The little that you have, God even will see. Like will be like, oh, my daughter, my son doesn't have a lot, but he or she has sacrificed this little that they have to go and show love to the less fortunate. And yeah, so let's just show love this festive season and happy holidays.
Yeah, thank you so much. That was from Paris.
Yeah, and check me out. I am underscore Paris.
Yeah,
love
you. And
hi guys, so like thank you so much for always supporting Matters KE. That's again a most important thing, because guys, we always appreciate a lot. So me, I will also say that let's spread love and love each other, support each other like brother and sister. Let's not create hatred or negativity, because that won't help us with anything. And that's all, because Paris have said all, and I want to appreciate you guys for always watching our videos. Yeah, and in case you don't know me, my name is Atrin Boke. You can check me out, subscribe, and watch my lovely videos.
Wow, that was Atrin Boke. Guys, kindly subscribe, share the videos, tell another neighbor to subscribe to our channels. Yeah, also good vlogger, motivator, and you guys, let me tell you out there, young youths, you are people who are our age. It's always very hard to succeed, very hard, but if you you keep consistency. Yeah, consistency is the key to success. And don't compete. Just work on your own and support where you can. And this is one of the people who are very supportive, especially also to my life. I really appreciate you so much. God bless you abundantly. And yeah, peace and love. And maybe, you know, this is from Maria underscore KE. Yeah, they're going to the children's home.
She donated those.
Yeah, so this is from Maria, and me and Maria and village grandma. so this will be going there, guys. So I really believe all will be good tomorrow. Anyone that will be willing, not even tomorrow, you can extend maybe the whole holiday. We are here, we can deliver and show you what we have done. So this is from us, guys. Thank you so much. Peace and love, positive vibes all the way. Yeah, support anyone that is doing genuine work.
Yeah.
Peace and love.
Bye guys, and see you guys in our next video tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.